If only financial investments were easy and we could predict correctly where to invest. That's because winners keep rotating across asset classes every year, so balancing asset allocation is important. Here's a fund that could help you to diversify across various asset classes and navigate different economic cycles. Presenting the Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, an investment opportunity where you can load it, latch it, leave it. The fund is managed by a proficient team of fund managers who strategize allocations across asset classes, which aims to work towards optimizing your investments. It invests in a balanced mix of equity, debt, commodity, as well as overseas investments, giving you the power of 4 in 1. With Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund, you can get the convenience of having exposure to multiple asset classes in one go, which gives you the benefit of diversification and potential for higher risk-adjusted returns. This fund also provides the advantage of equity taxation, thus making it suitable for investors seeking long-term capital growth. The Kotak Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. Load it, latch it, leave it. The new fund offer opens on 31st August 2023 and closes on 14th of September 2023. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.